You know what? I actually believe now that we've driven every single vehicle that we brought out here with Belltech suspension that they do actually tune the shocks, because every one of the rides was just a little bit different. But I was very impressed with the fact that we were in an F-150 on 22-inch wheels, and it still felt like a mattress through a dream. Yeah. Yeah, it was unbelievably smooth.
Crazy, huh?
Belltech has definitely taken an extra step and done a lot of shock tuning on these vehicles to get them to work really well in a variety of different situations, and that's really nice to see.